Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Animated, only gotta be
As you can see by the title, your girl is going to be doing another makeup video. This is going to be a how I do my eyebrows. We're gonna go in more depths on how I do my eyebrows. The other video was just showing y'all how to do a flawless beat look. I'm gonna show y'all the look. Let me show y'all real quick. In that video, the look that I was showing y'all how to do, because like I said, I do have multiple makeup routines and different makeup looks for real. So this was the look that I was showing y'all how to do and everything like that. Yeah, so I was showing y'all how to do that look, and in this one I'm just gonna focus more on how to do eyebrows, because eyebrows is very important when it comes to doing your makeup. Okay, so before we get into this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, have your post notifications on, and like this video. Follow me on my socials too. Now we can get into this video. So I already prepped my face off camera, and what I mean by prep my face, put my primer on and my skincare basically before I do my makeup. And what we use, or what I use for my eyebrows, is the Anastasia dip brow, and then the little, like, it's not a pencil but basically works like a pencil, so I call it a pencil. And I use the shade Ebony. It is, ooh, let me turn my ringer off or my sound off, my phone. What was I gonna say? Oh, this is pricey. It's like, I don't know, I think it's like 20 something dollars. The pencil or whatever this is like 20 something dollars. So I think this is like $20-30 around here, but it works really good. I love this so much, y'all. This video is not sponsored by them either, so yeah, but I just wanted to let y'all know, like, I do love Anastasia the dip brow so much. So like I said, it's in the shade Ebony. And how I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna set y'all up right here so y'all can see a little more. Hold on. Okay, so what I do is I dip. You know, you don't have to use too much product because it's really pigmented. So I dip, and then I outline my natural eyebrows. I don't try to make my own eyebrow. I literally just outline the shape, but before I outline it, I like to spoolie everything up, make sure everything is good, just spoolie everything up, and yeah, and then I outline, which is just like this. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn. Okay, and then I outline it. Boom. And then we're gonna do the same for the other side. And we're gonna do it off camera. Hold on. So this is basically our outline of our eyebrows, and then what I do is basically like color it in or fill it in. So I don't really fill in too much in the beginning because I wanted to give off like that faded look in the beginning. That's what I call it, at least that little faded look. So I'm gonna show y'all just like fading it in a little, not too much, but just a little. And then you see like the tail, I don't do too much with the tail. I just like fade it in, just literally just color it in. Yeah. Whoa. Just gonna color it in a little more. Color in all like the empty little spots and that stuff. Boom. There. Boom. So that's how, you know, you just colored it in, basically. Well, at least that's what I call it. And yeah. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the side. Nothing is different at all. I don't start in the very beginning, like I said. I just low-key just like start like right here, right there. Someone texted me. Oh, you guys been doing that stuff. I'm sorry, guys. My boyfriend texted me. Text him in a minute. Boom. Boom. See? Just literally just fading it in. Okay. Fading it in. Like I said, I don't start in the front at all. And yeah. Let me text my boyfriend back. Okay, the next step that I do, I literally just brushed them out now. Just brushed them out to give off more of that airbrushed type look. And I also like fill it in a little if I don't want it too airbrushed. You know what I'm talking about? Well, y'all probably don't know what I'm talking about, but I literally just brushed them out so it doesn't look boxy and look, you know, all chunky, and it looks like eyebrows, honestly. And yeah, so just brushing them out. I feel like this is much easier to do, you know, how I do them, because I know on other people's YouTube channels, for real, when it comes to like eyebrows and that stuff, they just make it seem as if it's so hard to do. But once you like know the type of eyebrows you have and know your face, it's just easy, I feel like. And yeah, so that's basically what I do. And then I clean up like the extra excess so it doesn't look like a unibrow, because we don't want it to look like a unibrow. We want it to look like a nice eyebrow. Boom. And then fill it in some more. Make sure it's all good. Boom. And yeah. Boom. Boom. These are the brows. Now, I don't like the lighting for real, but hold on. These are the brows. So now when I fully do like a full makeup look, it's gonna all come together. Me personally, I used to conceal my eyebrows, but since I don't know, I don't really like concealing my eyebrows for real, so I don't really conceal them. But y'all can't even tell. Like, if I didn't tell y'all just now that I don't conceal my eyebrows, y'all wouldn't even notice that I don't conceal my eyebrows. Because in all my pictures on the gram, if you go look, follow me on the gram. If you don't, you would think that I conceal my eyebrows, but I really don't. I really don't conceal my eyebrows. I just do this and fill them in and do all of that. So that's really it. Let me clean this up. I feel like I got more little spots to clean up or something. I'm gonna turn this down some so y'all can see. Boom. So these are the brows. I turned my ring light down because I feel like there was a glare on my face, low key. I don't know. So I'm gonna turn my ring light down so y'all can see. So these are the brows. I don't conceal my eyebrows, like I said. And hopefully y'all understand. This is why I like to use the Anesthesia Dip Brow, because I just feel as if like it just works really, really good. And now I'm gonna do my full makeup, but not in this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video of me showing y'all how I do my brows. I really hope y'all enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure you like this video and also subscribe and have your post notifications on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on the socials if you're not already, and I see you in the next YouTube video.